Some gifts are forgotten quickly, others continue to give long after they are received. Today's reminder is about sharing knowledge as a Ramadan gift. Giving books and magazines as Ramadan gifts. Distributing beneficial booklets and magazines even once a week during Ramadan, especially those related to Ramadan, fasting, and the Qur'an. Or presenting them to people as Ramadan gifts is one of the important acts of goodness that can be carried out during this blessed month. Such gifts do not only bring joy in the moment, they leave behind lasting benefit. Every page read, every reminder reflected upon, and every piece of knowledge acted upon continues to bring reward to the one who shared it. Some charity feeds the body, this charity nourishes the soul. Gift knowledge with sincerity. Spread reminders that last beyond Ramadan. Let your charity continue even after you are gone. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. What Islamic book would you gift in Ramadan? Subscribe to Light of Iman for day 19 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah make our gifts a source of ongoing reward. Ameen.